Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, the Ministry of Education says there are over 300 students who have still not returned to school since Hurricane Melissa. Although a significant reduction when compared to the more than 1,000 that were reported absent when school resumed in January, the ministry says it continues to search for the students. But as Jamila Maitland explains, there have been challenges.
Missing from the classroom. It's how the Ministry of Education has described the 335 students who continue to be recorded as absent from school since Hurricane Melissa struck in October 2025.
We understand from members in the communities that the families have relocated. So they are not necessarily in their local as they ought to be. And the homes are not there. So when our principals and guidance counselors go, the homes are not there. Persons are elsewhere trying to cope.
Majority of the students who have not returned to school are from Western Jamaica, which was hardest hit by the hurricane. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Kassan Troop, says the ministry has revamped the Find the Child initiative, first launched in the COVID-19 pandemic, to now find students. But
when we go into the field, our principals and team members, they will say the communities don't know the registered names of our students. They know them with their aliases. And that has become a very difficult task for us in our communities. But we continue to describe and we continue to talk, and they give us ideas as to where to go.
Dr. Troop, who was speaking at the Education Transformation Oversight Committee ETOX press conference recently, says the ministry is also challenged by its own internal processes.
We do have to check within our system as well. We have not been able to tie that down to track every single child. Because if a family relocates, chances are that family would have moved to put that child in a school. We have not been able to track those persons in a precise way, and I believe that is how we have been missing the 300 plus children.
She issued this call to action for parents and guardians as well as stakeholders within the Ministry of Education.
If you see a child that is not in school, call 211. Call the school. Visit the school. Share the information with us. It is not acceptable to have our kids out of school. They need to be in a safe space. They need to continue their education, and we do have facilities to support. Do not turn a blind eye. We want all hands on deck.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.